This simple homemade mixture works wonders for spinach and all leafy greens. Spinach is a rewarding plant that gardeners often sow at the end of summer, so that it is ready for a rich autumn harvest. It is well known for its ability to tolerate low temperatures, with many varieties thriving even when the thermometer drops to 10 degrees below zero. To grow strong, vibrant leaves and develop a healthy root system, spinach needs a well-balanced supply of nutrients, with nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium being the three most important elements for optimal growth. Nitrogen is essential for lush green foliage. Phosphorus strengthens and expands the roots, while potassium helps the plant absorb nutrients and maintain water balance. Today, we will prepare a powerful natural fertilizer packed with these nutrients to help your spinach grow stronger, healthier, and more resilient than ever. The best part is that most of the ingredients are either already in your home or can be sourced for free. So make sure to stay until the end to learn where you can get them without spending a penny. The first ingredient is oats, which should be ground to release their nutrients and make them easier to mix with water. Oats are not only a source of slow-release carbohydrates, but are also rich in minerals such as manganese, magnesium, iron, and phosphorus, all of which support the development of leafy vegetables. Additionally, oats contain amino acids that help plants build resistance to stress, and their natural fibers improve soil structure and moisture retention. This makes them an excellent base for a nutrient-rich fertilizer that benefits spinach, lettuce, Swiss chard, and other greens that need a growth boost. Add the ground oats to 300 milliliters of warm water and stir thoroughly to allow the nutrients to start dissolving. The next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of dried nettle, a powerhouse of nutrients and a completely natural fertilizer that you can easily harvest and dry yourself. Nettle is packed with nitrogen, which leafy vegetables require the most. It also contains phytonutrients and organic acids that strengthen plants' immune systems and help them resist pests and diseases. Beyond feeding plants, nettle improves soil health and encourages the growth of beneficial microorganisms, making it one of the most popular and effective organic fertilizers among gardeners. The third ingredient is a tablespoon of wood ash, an excellent natural source of potassium, calcium, and other essential minerals that promote plant strength and disease resistance. Wood ash can be used in 2 ways. You can mix it into water to create a liquid feed, or sprinkle it directly onto the soil to not only enrich it, but also deter slugs, which are known to damage lettuce and other leafy crops. Wood ash is often easy to find for free from households that burn wood in winter or from pizzerias that use wood-fired ovens. Once you have combined all 3 ingredients, let the mixture sit in water for at least 24 hours so the nutrients are fully extracted. Strain the liquid and dilute it with 3 liters of water. Use this mixture to water your spinach once or twice a month, giving each plant around 300 milliliters. With consistent use, your plants will grow robustly, produce healthy leaves, and develop improved resistance to pests and diseases. Friends, if you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to check out our next video on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and we send you our warmest regards.